Hello YouTube. Today we're taking a look at images from the Neumayer Station webcam at Antarctica. A number of images are posted on Facebook and YouTube videos claiming to show Nibiru or Planet X as seen from Neumayer Station at the Antarctic, and here's another example of this. This was taken on the 30th of June this year at 1540 GMT or UTC. And we can clearly see what appears to be something that looks like the moon, and people are claiming that it's Nibiru or Planet X. Let's step through some of the pictures here. These are 10 minutes apart, and we can see that the object certainly does seem to be moving through the sky. So just what is this mysterious object that we're seeing here? Once again, I've got Starry Night Pro opened, and it's set to the same field of view, and we're just going to have a look and see what's going on here. Let's go back to the pictures. I'm going to step right back here. Now this object here is actually the moon, and this is at 1420. So what I'm going to do is step back to Starry Night and set Starry Night to 1420. So let's step back to 1420 and see what we find. Okay, so here is the moon at 1420 UTC. Let's go back to our image, and what have we got? We've got the moon. So let's step through the images from Neumayer Station and see what happens. Remember that these are 10 minutes apart, each picture. So we've got the moon is moving out of the field of view from the webcam. And now we've just got this image, this object, apparent object coming into view. Now here's one of the stills that I've actually processed through Photoshop and adjust the contrast and so on, so that we can get a better look at this object. People often seem to like doing this as if it's proof that the object is real. I'll come back to this image in just a moment. Let's step through again. So here is the object apparently moving through the sky. Now what I want to do is let's step back again. Here's the moon on the edge of the picture at 1520. Let's go back to Starry Night and step it forward to 1520. Okay, so there's the moon. We've got the glare just on the edge of the picture if we go back to our stills. Okay, and then if I advance that forward again, an interesting thing happens in the stills here. Here's our image just coming in here. Just step that forward. Now here's the one that I've changed in Photoshop so that we can see it more clearly. I want you to take a close look at this right here. You see that little star? And it is a star. Okay, I'll step that forward again. Now it's moved again because these are 10 minutes apart. There's a star there. There it is there. There it is there. Let's go backwards again. See what happens to the star. Well, hang on. This star is actually showing through our Nibiru object. Just take it back one more to our adjusted picture. You can clearly see that the star is shining through what is supposed to be Nibiru or Planet X. So this is 1540. Let's go back to Starry Night and set it to 1540. Okay, I've just got to go back one step. 1540, and here is our star. It's actually called Sabik. Okay, you can see on the left hand side there the information that's coming up in blue. Now I'll go back to our picture, our overlay, and you can see it's in exactly the same place. I'll just toggle between. So here's the point of the video. If this so-called object was real, then it would have to be transparent, because the star Sabik is actually showing right through it. So either Nibiru is transparent or it's got some sort of Star Trek cloaking device. I think you can see from this video that we're seeing nothing more than a lens flare from the sun, from the moon, that has just left the field of view. Here's the moon. It's very bright on the camera, and this happens every month. We see new images being uploaded to YouTube and Facebook claiming that it's supposed to be Nibiru. This is all it is. It's just lens flare from the moon. So I hope that's cleared that up for you. Thank you for watching.